Hey guys, Dusty here. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cancel your Nintendo online account. So it's the $3.99 that you pay to access the online services for Nintendo. If you have the free trial or you're just ready to cancel your month-to-month account, either way, that's what we're going to be doing today. So there's two ways to get there, but the easiest way is to log into the Nintendo eShop. So go down here where the little yellow shopping bag is, go to the Nintendo eShop, log in with your account, and then once you've logged into the Nintendo eShop, go up to the upper right-hand corner where you see your little icon or logo, whatever your image is, select that guy there, and then once you're in there, you can go all the way down to the bottom to where you see your subscriptions. As you can see here, I am paying via PayPal. You can change the way you pay if that's what you're wanting to do, or you can go on down to where you see your membership, and then right here where the orange button says turn off automatic renewal, click that button there. It will tell you that you'll be able to use this up to the point to where you've paid. So basically you'll be able to finish out your month, but if you turn off automatic renewal by clicking this button here, after that date, it will expire and your membership will be canceled and you will not be charged again. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, like the video, share it so others can find out how to cancel theirs, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.